Heartily welcome to all to the new YouTube channel GKAG. Question number 1. Which is the fifth largest planet in the solar system? Answer Earth. Question number 2. Which disease is known as blood does not clotting? Answer hemophilia. Question number 3. How many degrees is the Earth axis titled? Answer 23.5 degree. Which factor controls the blood glucose level? Answer insulin and glucagon. Which planet has no satellite? Answer Mercury and Venus. Question number 6. What is the speed of Earth rotation at the equator? Answer 1617 km per hour. Question number 7. Who is the father of nuclear physics? Answer Ernest Rutherford. Next. Who discovered the atom bomb? Answer J. Robert Oppenheimer. Question number 9. Who discovered hydrogen? Answer Henry Cavendish. Question number 10. Deoxygenated blood from different part of the body, in which compartments of the body is it stored? Answer left atrium. Question number 11. Saliva acts on which of the following components? Answer carbohydrates. Question number 12. Who discovered rabies vaccine? Answer Louis Pasteur. Question number 13. Where does arthritis mostly affect? Answer joints. Diabetes occur when which organ is damaged? Answer pancreas. Question number 15. Which planet is closest to Earth? Answer Mercury. What is the approximate circumference of the Earth at the equator? Answer 40,000 km. Next. What is known as rock cotton? Answer asbestos. Question number 18. Which element is most abundant in the human body? Answer oxygen. Next. Hansen's disease is known as? Answer leprosy. Question number 20. Which instrument is used to measure sound underwater? Answer hydrophone. Which branch deals with bones? Answer osteology. Question number 22. What was the silver revolution associated with? Answer egg production. Next. Who is known as father of internet? Answer Vint Cerf. Question number 24. Which element stored in kerosene? Answer sodium. Question number 25. What is the branch of study of insect? Answer entomology. If you like my videos, please subscribe, share and also enable bell icon. See you soon.